Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create professional birthday flyers using Nano Banana AI. So if you have been struggling on how to design professional birthday flyer for yourself or for your brand or to give it to someone, then this video will help you. So guys, if you're a new person to our channel, you are welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, you are welcome back. If you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly click on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified by YouTube each time we upload a viral video just like this one. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. So we are simply going to be using Germany Nano Banana here. So you simply log into your Germany and this is what you will receive, and this is the interface you will see. So for us to design a professional birthday flyer, so what you will just do first is to get your image. You can as well use Nano Banana to create the image of yourself, professional image of yourself, which I can do a video on that. If you're interested in me doing a video like that, drop it in the comment section, then I will do that. Okay, so you get a professional picture of yourself. Now the next thing you are going to do is to come to Nano Banana here, Germany. Okay, so you can access Germany through website, and you can also use it through application. So if you cannot get it through Play Store, from Play Store, you can as well get it from website, the website on which is from Chrome. All right, so guys, let's get into it. So simply tap on this plus icon you are seeing right at the corner here. So remember, you can use even the free version of it, so it doesn't require you using the proof before you can achieve it. So the next thing you will do is to upload your picture. After you have taken your picture, you upload a picture. It should be a clear picture. So like I said, Nano Banana can help you work on your picture if you don't have a professional picture like this. So now the next thing you are going to be doing is to put in a prompt. I will put it in the comment section of this video, so make sure after this video check the comment section. You will see the full prompt. The prompt says a high quality professional digital flyer design for Max UK confessional. It's a very detailed prompt. So at the end of this video, make sure you check the comment section. I'm going to drop the prompt, the full prompt, to you. All right, so now let's see how this works. I'm going to tap on this send icon and let's see how it will be able to create our flyer for us. Alright, so guys, we have a professional flyer here. Okay, so note, you can as well go ahead to prompt it if after this to go ahead to put things. If you don't like the design, if you don't like the layout, so you can as well go ahead to say, can you make it more professional? Okay, so let's say I didn't like the design at first, so I'm just trying to say that it should make it more professional and modern. Okay, so now let's see the adjustment it's going to do on it. Alright, so you see it's giving us another thing entirely. Guys, I like this one. Wow, so I like this. So now let's check something else. Let's check something else. So I'm going to upload the image again, and then I'm going to put in the prompt again. Note, we are simply using AI. Like they said, they will always say AI can make mistakes. So if you are not satisfied with the result, you can go ahead and try it again, and then you can edit the prompt if you don't have a desired result at the end of the day. Okay, so wow, I like this one. I think this one is better than the first one. Okay, I think this is better. So you can see we have a professional birthday flyer here, and it's looking so very well. Make everything come out very fine. So guys, here is how to design a professional birthday flyer using Nano Banana with your picture. So guys, if you want to learn more on how to design more professional flyer. Don't make sure you subscribe to this channel, and then don't forget to like the video and share it to anybody that wants to learn this, be it a business person and anybody. And then if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly click on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified by YouTube each time we upload a viral video just like this one. So guys, thank you for watching, and then see you in our next video.